Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to talk about how to use this bay leaf and then Prekese to attract wealth. In fact, increase your business and also make your business grow. That is, improve your financial life. That is it. So we are going to use the bay leaf to improve our financial life, and then if you have a business, also increase your rate of drawing customers and also making you grow financially. Yes, please subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe and then like the video. Yes, like the video. Today, let's proceed to what we have today. If you're new, just subscribe. If you are old, thank you for coming back again. Just like the video, give your comment. You are going to write your wish on the leaf. Okay, if it is sales that I want, if it is money that I want, so that I'll write sales. So if it is money that I want, money, then I write the amount, 10,000. This is your business sales you want, or your business idea, or your plans. Yes, that you want. You want $10,000 maybe at the end of the year, the month, the week, depending on the size of the business. Maybe end of year or week, or anyhow you want it. So after that, this is what you are going to do. You are going to get money drawer spray. Yes, you are going to get money drawer spray, and then you are going to spray on it, on the leaf. Yes, you are going to spray on the leaves. So once you spray it on the leaves, you are going to bend the leaves. Oh, my matches is not good. You are going to bend the bay leaf, reciting your intention this week, this year. I want to earn this money. I want to increase sales. I want to get this. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to get that. That is my intentions, or what I want to get. So you use something to hold it, and then once you are done, you burn it. You can light a candle to burn it, or hold. Use something to hold it so that, be careful it doesn't burn you. You hold it so that you can burn your intentions into the energy in the universe. Yes. So you are going to add this precaution to your practice or your rituals that you are performing. So how am I going to use this one? This one, remember to get the money spray. If you don't have, you can order it from me, or you can order it from any nearby shop. Spray it on it. Some people teach just burn it and make your intention, but please just add this to facilitate or to make it faster. Yes, you add it to it, and then you are going to be fine. So we are going to use this to add to your preparation. So what am I going to use this for? I'm going to add this into where I keep my money. I'm going to put this in my bag. I'm going to put it, it's going to attract goodness. Any negative energy is going to vanish. You see, there's a certain kind of aroma this comes with. If you try to press it, yes, the fruit inside has some kind of aroma that attract goodness and then send away evil intentions. So kindly get this. You can practice this alone by get this Prekese or this Aiden fruit or galbanum to add to this practice to facilitate it or make it faster and then easier. So kindly note the ingredients. You are going to get your, that is your prekese. You are going to get your bay leaves. The bay leaves is cheaper on market. You can get it, or if you don't have, you can even get it from me, order it from me. You are going to receive it through the HL. Yes. Okay, so you are going to get your marker. So what you have to do is get your marker, and then you write your intentions, improve business. So you write your business improvement on it. And then maybe you have a certain kind or a specific or a certain um, reason. If you don't have anything, don't write anything. So once we are done, the next thing you spray your, that is your, you see, you get your money spray. That is it. Money drawer. Get your spray and then you spray on it. Once you spray on it, you get your matches. And once you get your matches, we are going to light it out. So you light the matches out like that, and then you hold the tip. My matches is off. Going to light your match. It can be a lighter or what. So the air is blowing. So you get your matches like this, lighted, and then you start burning your bay leaves like that. So burn. Sometimes it's good you light a candle and then burn it completely on the candle. So basically, this is how you are going to burn your bay leaves to attract. Sometimes after all these things, you can gather it and then burn it again, and then to attract goodness, and then open ways for you in your business. Remember to put this at where you keep your money, or in your purse, or in your bag, or where you keep your money, to prevent it from losses and all those kind of things. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the video. Just subscribe. See you in the next video. We are going to enjoy a lot of things. So let me see you in the next video.